Introducing the customized heavy-duty remote lawn mower AWY 550, the ultimate solution for sloped lawns and large fields. This smart mower is designed with a powerful RV 225 engine, capable of handling up to 45-degree slopes with ease. With a remote control system, you can mow safely and effortlessly from a distance, saving time and energy. Its 500 mm cutting width, adjustable height from 20 to 150 mm, and an impressive mowing efficiency of 1,500 square meters per hour make it a game-changer in lawn care. Whether for home use, farms, or landscaping businesses, the AWY 550 delivers power, precision, and reliability. Don't struggle with heavy grass cutting anymore. Switch to smart mowing today. Click the link below and get your